Okay, so we're here. We have reached the 10,000 milestone. Guys, as you've seen before, I have these plates made if it's the ones. So the next one now would be 100,000, which would just be mind-blowing. But anyway, this has been absolutely a journey. I am so humbled that you guys have subscribed and supported the channel. Let's have a look back now at how we got here.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to say thank you for reaching 100 subscribers. Phenomenal. You know what it means? We have reached 500 subscribers. Did I just say 500? Wait, what's that?
So, as you've seen, it's been a bit of a journey, it's been a bit of a ride. There's been a lot of changes, a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment. I know I've been a little bit inactive, but bear with me, I've had a few things going on behind the scenes. I'm going to hang this with pride in the garage. I am going to settle the garage up soon to do some more stuff on the conversion. So you will see this in the background. Hopefully we can push forward, guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully we can get to the 100k. I mean, how long is it going to take? It's a big journey, I get it. Thanks to everyone who's been here from the start. Thanks to my loyal and long-term subscribers, and thanks to you guys, the new subscribers, the recent subscribers, or the guys in between. Take care. See you soon.